I'm gonna release this too. Hold on. Alright, you. Thanks for biting. Go get bigger. See you again. That's how we do it, guys.